In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping business policies on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, having clear and efficient shipping policies can drastically improve your business operations and customer satisfaction. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access your eBay account settings. Start by hovering your mouse over your name in the top left corner of the eBay homepage. A drop-down menu will appear, so go ahead and click on the Account Settings option. This is your gateway to personalizing all the nitty-gritty details of your eBay business. Once inside account settings, you'll want to focus your attention on the selling section where you'll see a link that says business policies. Clicking on this link will bring up all your existing business policies. If you haven't set any policies yet or need to add more, this is the right place to do it. Now look for a button that says create policy. When you click it, you'll be prompted to select the type of policy you want to create. Since we're focusing on shipping today, choose the shipping option. This is where you'll begin crafting the specific details of how you handle and charge for shipping. Naming your policy is an important next step. Choose a name that is clear and descriptive, like USPS Priority Free Shipping. This will help you remember the specifics of the policy at a glance. For added clarity, you can also add a short description, though this step is optional and for your reference only. When it comes to shipping policy settings, let's break it down further. Start with domestic shipping options. You'll want to list the services you offer, such as USPS First Class, Priority Mail, or UPS Ground. This tells your customers exactly what they can expect in terms of delivery time and shipping carrier. Next, decide on your pricing method. Do you want to offer flat rate shipping, let eBay calculate the cost, or perhaps offer free shipping to encourage more purchases? This decision can affect your competitive edge in the marketplace, so choose wisely based on your business model. Don't forget about handling time. A standard range is 1 to 3 business days, conveying to buyers how quickly you'll ship their items once they've made a purchase. This can help build trust with your customers, knowing they can expect timely deliveries. For those selling internationally, toggle options for international shipping. You can enable eBay's global shipping program to simplify this process, or set up custom international shipping options, like using FedEx International. You'll also need to choose which countries you ship to, and this can be crucial in expanding your market reach. Consider the additional options available, like offering local pickup if it's feasible for your business model. Likewise, if there are locations that are impractical or too costly for you to ship to, such as APO, FPO addresses or Alaska and Hawaii, make sure to exclude those from your shipping options. Once you have all your settings dialed in, click Save to secure your policy. The final step is to apply this newly created policy to your existing or new listings, ensuring a streamlined and consistent shipping experience for your customers. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized and effective shipping policy on eBay, benefiting both your business operations and your customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching and happy selling.